Okay, so let me explain you the equations that we have already done in algebra as well, and those equations we're going to use to find out the value of y and the value of x, and then we are going to get all the coordinate pairs in the last, and then we are going to plot all the coordinate pairs on the graph paper. All right, so before starting to plot the coordinate pairs on the graph paper, we used to find out the values of x and y through the equations. All right, for example, if you're going to have y, the equation is y is equals to 2x. This equation means that this is the function we are going to use to find out the values for y. It says that this equation says that y equals 2 times of x. इस इक्वेशन का मतलब ये है कि x की हर वैल्यू को हम 2 टाइम्स करेंगे, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपके पास y की वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी. ठीक है. नाउ when we are doing solving this equation, when we are finding out the values for y, we are going to make a proper table for values of x and y. It's going to be in a proper manner. We're going to write down x. We're going to write down x here, and we're going to write down, you can write down y here, or you can write down, sorry, 2y, not 2y, 2x. Okay, now for example, we are finding out 3 pairs. Okay, we can have more values also. We can have 4, we can have 5, we can have 6 values also. It's up to us. हमारे पास कभी ये instructions होती हैं that find out 4 values, कभी हमारे पास table में x की कुछ values given होती हैं question में. Sometimes they are not given. Sometimes we need to find out or both the values. We suppose for x also, and then we find out for y. हमारे पास कभी कभार x की भी कोई value नहीं given होती. अगर x की भी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं गिवन है, सो डोंट वरी, आप x की खुद से कोई वैल्यू सपोज कर लें, एंड द स्मॉलर वैल्यूज यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द accurate graph you're going to get, and it will be good for you to plot them on the coordinate on the graph also. अगर आपके पास बड़ी वैल्यूज अगर आप x की लेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने सोचा 25, आपने सोचा कि मैं x की वैल्यू ले लेता हूँ 25. If you're going to take 25 for x and then you're going to find it for y, and you will do it 2 times of x is y, आप 25 का 2 times करेंगे, y की वैल्यू 50 आएगी, which you are unable to plot on the graph paper. Alright, that's why I am emphasizing on using smaller values. Alright. Okay, now over here we have, for example, we are going to take -1. First I'm taking -1 for, first I'm going to take -1 for x, then I'm going to take 0, and then I'm going to take 1. I'm taking these 3 values for x. You can go in a sequence from smaller to bigger number also. You can also use 1 2 4 6. You can also use even numbers, you can also use odd numbers. All right, you can change the values as well. It's up to you. Okay, now if the values are not given, then it's up to you. So you are going to now use this equation for finding out these values. Okay, 2 times of x you will do, you will get this value of y, then 2 times of x you will do, you are going to get the next coordinate, and then for the third one also. Now see here, you have the equation is given, y is equals 2x. So we are going to find out for the first value of x is given -1, right, this -1. So you're going to take this -1 instead of x and multiply these. 2 times -1 क्या होगा, you're going to write down in the answer 2 times -1, 2 ones are 2, and 2 times -1 is -2. So here you're going to write, if x is -1, so y will be -2. Then next, for next y value, you're going to remove this one, and you're going to now find out the next y value. For next y value, we will take the next x value 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. you're going to write down for y is equals 0. Then we are going to find out the third value, and for the third value of x is 1, so you're going to put 1 here, and 2 times 1 is 2. So third value you have got is 2. Now these are the coordinate pairs you have got: -1, -2, 0, 0, 1 and 2. Alright. The equation can be different also. This is one example I have just given to you. You can have a different equation like 2x plus 3. You all have done algebra, and here in graph you are using algebra. Alright, we are using algebra to find out the equation of your graph. Alright, to find out the values of x and value of y. Now here, if I give you this equation that y is equals 2x plus 1. Now this equation is different from the previous one. In the previous one I only gave you this 2x. Now over here, whatever the value for x you're going to find out, you're going to add 1 to that. For example, अगर आपने x की value first सोचिए कि x is equals to 1. So here for this you're going to now put this x value in the equation. अब आप ये x value equation में put करेंगे और आप फिर अपनी y की value find करेंगे that y is equals to, first आपने 1 suppose करिए, so in place of x you're going to write down 1 plus 1. So y is equals to 2 ones are, इसको multiply करेंगे, 2 ones are 2 and 2 plus 1, y is equals to 3. So that's how you're going to find out the using the equation you're going to find out the values for y और the value for x. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारे पास y equation दी हुई हो, हमारे पास x is equals भी दे सकते हैं, हम x की value को find करेंगे. In your book exercise 6a we have a question here of exercise 6a, question number 3. The equation of a function is y is equals 4x plus 5. यहाँ पर आपके पास 4x plus 5 दिया हुआ है, right? Here I gave you 2x plus 1. आपके पास जो बुक में क्वेश्चन है इसमें यहाँ पर 4x plus 5 दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? और x की वैल्यू भी गिवन है कि x की अगर ये वैल्यू होगी तो आपको y की दोनों वैल्यूज फाइंड करनी है कि y क्या होगा. 4x प्लस 5, ठीक है? सो हम हर वैल्यू को पहले, हर x की वैल्यू को पहले 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और फिर जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा उसमें 5 प्लस कर देंगे, ठीक है? सो हेयर a इज गिवन पार्ट 1 3 पार्ट 1, x की वैल्यू गिवन है 3. सो इन दिस इक्वेशन y इज इक्वल्स टू, you are going to do solve it 4 times 3 plus 5. So you get the value for y. Inshal, can you answer me this? What will be the answer for this y value? You can write in the chat, or all of you can write in the chat. Yes, Shifa, you're right. Very good, Muhammad Ali. Good. Dua. Perfect. So since you are giving me the right answer, very good, Iman. This means you're getting it. We're going to multiply 4 3 times. Very good, Mavish. Correct answer. 4 को हम 3 से multiply कर देंगे. You will get 12. And then you're going to add 5 to it. So you will get 12 plus 5. 17. All of you gave me the correct answer. Very good. तो आपके पास ये y की वैल्यू आ गई, ठीक है? Now for the part 2, it's x is equals -2. Solve this and let me know what your answer is coming. All right? Write in the answer in the chat box. Do not unmute, do not answer me. Just write your answer in the chat box so I can see that who has done right and who has given me the right answer.